Hey guys, what up? Connor Dolan from Open Hands Design. We're in Allison in my garage right now, and this is where all the magic happens for Open Hands Design, with all the bureaus, all the calligraphy on the mirrors that you see in Bernat's, and today you get me, so that means a concrete project. I am making concrete coasters, which I think look really good, really sleek and modern, and I got 3 different colors for you. Natural, a white, which looks amazing, my favorite, and this charcoal looking one. So we're gonna make those right now. I got this on Amazon. These are silicone baking pan tin things, which is perfect size for these coasters. I bought some stainless steel wire mesh on Amazon to reinforce the concrete. I realized that I couldn't really cut the mesh in a circular shape. I ended up with these funky shaped mesh pieces that weren't really square or circular. We'll start by mixing the natural concrete first, and all you really need for concrete is Portland cement, sand, and water. I have my fancy measuring cup here, and the ratio I've been using for this is 2 parts Portland cement, 1.5 parts sand, and 1 part water. You can kind of be liberal with the ingredients because these are just coasters. These are not a structural, foundation or anything. This consistency is not ideal. A little bit like Wendy's Frosty, but that's okay. So I'm gonna pour a little bit in, and I'm gonna push this down, and a little more on top. And you don't wanna fill it up to the very top. If you fill it to the very top of these molds, then it will be really thick, almost 1 inch thick, which we don't want. We want it to be thin. So you'll see there's little pieces here that will be pieces of sand that are a little bit big that we'll take out. Now you really want to tap and shake the mold to get all the bubbles out of the concrete before you leave it to cure for a couple days. The same process is used for the charcoal coaster, but this time I added 1 tablespoon of charcoal Quikrete liquid cement color. Depending on how much you add and how well mixed it is, the depth of this color will vary. For the last coaster, this is the white coaster. So you have to start with white Portland cement, which you can get on Amazon like everything else. So I will link that in the description below.
Several days later.
All right, we'll take these out of the molds. There's some mold defects here on the back of these where it sits on the counter, the little ridge here. So we'll sand that down, then we'll waterproof these. And then finally, last step, we'll put a little bit of cork material on the back, and they'll be all done. To seal the concrete, I used Cheng Concrete Countertop Sealer, which requires you to wet the concrete before application. I then dilute the sealer with water and apply it all over the coasters, making sure I'm constantly moving the sealer across the surface so it doesn't sit too long and cause streaks. You want to let the concrete dry, then repeat this process for at least another 2 coats. While drying, it's a perfect opportunity to cut out circles of corkboard for the back of the coaster. Once the concrete has dried from its final coat of sealer, use Gorilla Glue to attach the cork to the coaster. So that's it, concrete coasters, round, cool, modern touch. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you watched, please like the video, subscribe to our channel to see other cool projects like this and everything that we've been doing to this house. We'll see you next time.
Simple, describe why you got it.
I got these on Amazon. I wanted a large diameter, wide, I got these on Amazon. I wanted a large diameter, shallow. We pour the concrete, and this is our work is already done. That was all. Again, when we want to put in, again.